Mine.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this is Terrell. And you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. Hey, everybody, I'm Marge. And welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can really, I have the floor, communicate to us what he wants all the time, so this is our way of helping. And today's episode is New Year's Eve Celebration. Stop breaking it down, you heard? Okay.
Anyway,
Do
my
it.
time to shout. Okay. Yes, that's right. This year is finally gone. I can finally have a New Year's revolution.
It better not be to kill me.
No, it's very sweet.
Welcome back, everybody. For today's episode, we are making New Year's root beer floats. That's right. And what do we need for these floats, Chef Tiffany?
You will need whipped cream, cherry,
Terrell's other crap.
vanilla ice cream, and of course root beer.
Alrighty, so to make this, first we will start with a scoop of ice cream. Terrell, you want to do the honors? I'm going to make sure this is your cup. No? Okay, I will do the honors then. Okay, that seems good. Yeah, this is actually one of my good ones. Just pop that in there. Okay, next the soda. Oh, you did not just see that. Okay. Do you want to pour it in?
Pour it in.
Yep, there you go. Just go crazy with it. Oh, okay, yep. We're going to do like halfway since that isn't. See, that's a good sign so far. Next, the whipped cream.
Shake, 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 shake.
Spread some on your brother, and then on me. So excuse me, I messed up. Sorry.
No.
Ah! I actually got it this time. Usually I end up making a mess of it, just like I do the ice cream, but Alright, and last but not least, the cherry topper. As most people would say, put a cherry on top. Alrighty then, just a little scoop right there. No extra juices, let's hope I get this part. Oh my gosh, I finally made a perfect one!
Woohoo. And now, the straw.
Yep, just get that up in there, right on there. And voila! There we go. You see? Yeah, absorbed the perfect. Hey everybody, welcome back. And now it's time for today's sidebar. Yes, today's sidebar is quite interesting. It's about all the wonderful ways to celebrate the coming of the new year. You can head to the kitchen, make something fun with your kids, or in this case, since we're in the studio, we made a fun little root beer float with chumping and chumping 2 over here, which I call them. Already copyrighted. It's already copyrighted. 2, you could toast with sparkling cider, as you see we've got here. I'm definitely going to be enjoying this later. Yeah, sparkling cider, which I will drink yours if you don't drink that. He's not like a big soda type guy here. Like he's not into the whole fizz. That's cool. And last but not least, create a memory book of all the memories of 2018, or possibly a time capsule capturing your most Precious valuables from 2018 to reflect back on, or probably like nearing the end of 2019 or something like that. Which will be fun. I might do the time capsule instead because I'm not an arts and crafts person. I seriously can't stand it. You know what I'm saying? Like, seriously.
I'm still working on it.
Well, okay. Okay, great. Okay, great.
And that's today's sidebar. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Alright guys, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes, this is our last episode of Season 3. We will come back next year in February celebrating our 1-year anniversary of this show.
Yes, and have a nice,
safe,
New Year.
That's right.